Next weekend is the Big Garden Birdwatch, so you can join in at home. We usually join in at school with the school birdwatch, and we record how many birds we find on the school grounds, and then we do our own charts. But you'll have to do it from your bedroom window. So I thought I'd show you how to make 2 different bird feeders that you can either put on your windowsill or up in the garden. For the first one, you need a piece of string and you pop that through a toilet roll. Do a knot in the string, an overhand knot so that it's got a nice loop. Then on a plate, pour some seeds, and I've added some mealworms because the birds really like those. Next, you're going to get some peanut butter and spread the peanut butter on the toilet roll just like you would on toast. You want it all over the toilet roll and with as few gaps as possible. Then you're going to take the toilet roll and roll it and push it into the seeds so that every bit of peanut butter has got a seed on it. All the way along, and then you're done. You will need an adult to help you with the next bird feeder because there's some cutting to do. First of all, you need to make a hole near the base of the bottle that's wide enough for a spoon to fit into and tall enough for the seeds to fall out of. And then on the opposite side of the bottle, you need to make a hole for the handle to go through. Then, above this one, on the opposite side, make a hole for another spoon, and again, a hole on the opposite side for the handle to go through. And then push both of your spoons into the bottle. Next, you're going to fill the bottle with seeds. It doesn't have to be filled to the top, just as long as there's enough seeds to fall out onto the spoons. Next, either with a piece of string, or I've used a piece of wire, wrap that around the top of the bottle, put the lid back on because you don't want any water getting into the bottle, so that you can hang the bottle on a tree. Take them outside and either hang them up in the garden or you can hang them up on your windowsill and wait to see who comes to visit. So far, I've just had a squirrel, but I'm sure you'll be luckier next weekend. On the RSPB website, you'll find the ID sheet and all the information you need to upload your information to the RSPB.